how to pause Instagram Reels without holding. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how to pause Instagram Reels without having to hold your screen. It's a little tricky since there's no dedicated pause button, but I promise it's easier than it sounds. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is you'll need to open up your Instagram and go to the reel section. Now, if you just tap on the reel, it will pause. However, if you don't want to do it, then there is the swipe method. You can just swipe the left side, and the person who posted the reel, uh, his or her profile will open up. So this is not exactly pausing, but still you can like stop the reel from playing. And another one is you can come back and then you can go to the comment section. However, you can see that the video is still playing. You can just swipe up the comment and now the video will pause until you hold it back down. And there you have it. These are just some of the ways that you can use until Instagram introduces the pause button. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.